In this video, we will compare Quicken versus Simplifi versus Everydollar. Quicken, Simplifi and Everydollar are three popular finance tools, each offering distinct features depending on your needs. Quicken is the most comprehensive, catering to those users with complex financial situations. It offers advanced budgeting, bill payment tracking, investment tracking, tax planning, and even the ability to track loans and mortgages. Quicken is ideal for users who want a detailed financial management across various aspects of their financial life. However, it comes at a higher cost and has steep learning curves. Quicken is actually owned by Simplifi and is a more modern, streamlined version focused on ease of use and simplicity. Everydollar, on the other hand, is an excellent choice for users looking to simple and effectively budget tools. Creating by financial experts Dave Ramsey, Everydollar is centered around a zero-based budgeting, where you allocate every dollar of your income to a specific category. While it doesn't offer the advanced investment tracking or financial reporting of Quicken, it is very straightforward and easy to use, especially to those looking to stick to their strict budget. The free version is very limited, but the paid version includes bank syncing and automatic transaction tracking. In summary, Quicken is the most feature-rich option suited for the more complex financial needs, whereas Everydollar is best for those users who fully focus on budgeting and following zero-based approach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.